How to split the pages on Google Docs. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm going to show you how you can split the pages on the Google Docs. So to know how you can do it, watch this video till the very end. So first of all, open your Google Docs. After you open your Google Docs, just tap on the preferred file that you want to split your pages on. Put your cursor on the very page that you want to split it. So after putting the cursor, tap on the very A section on the top toolbar. After you do that, scroll a little bit down. Now you can see that you can either split your pages like this on the 2 columns or the 3 columns just like this. So just tap on the very 3 columns here. Now you can also add the column spacing and you can also add the line spacing here. So after you do that, line between the columns, just enable it and also add page break before. And when you do this and go back, you are just done. You just should apply it and then you are done. So yeah, after you do this and tap on the very done option, after just tap on clear formatting. And then just scroll upside, tap on the very text option that you want to put and then go back and tap on the very tick option and then your formatting will be done just like that and your page will be splitted. So that's how you can do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.